Hello, my Mini Kit Monday friends. So I am here to show you what I completed for September 2019 and show you, not in full, because if those of you that remember my kit knows that it's massive, it would take me days to show you what I have left. But all of these layouts have process videos, so you can check on my channel for them. So this was a photo play collection, and this is the only collection in my mini kits within Mini Kit Monday that I really got traction with. So this is my first layout. My second layout here, I did a Scrap Squad sketch with this one as well, and I really enjoyed doing this and love the way it came out. My next one, using that same photo play collection with, goodies from other things. There's Chamel's stuff right there. That's Illustrated Faith there, so these are, oh, Dear Lizzie right here. So, some other things built in. Oh, that is Vicki Boutin. So, this and that, but still. Now, this one I started using another collection with. I have this great pink background. I've got this cut file from Creative Cuts of this fabulous dolphin, some Vicki Boutin bits. So, this one has a lot going on, and I kept feeling like, is it finished enough? Not finished enough? But I think just a little journaling here, and I'll be good to go. And then lastly, I did this one. This has the majority of the Vicki Boutin papers that I had left, because we were trying to really incorporate a lot of Vicki Boutin in this month, and I had been using it so much and enjoying it so much, I didn't have a whole lot left over, which is a good problem. So I did get tons of it in. I mean, these right here, these are Chamel, but the colors match great. We have Illustrated Faith again, so a little bit of other stuff, but for the most part, a rather Vicki Boutin-ish page. Now, look at this. It is full, which is okay, because this coming month, meaning October, I am going to be doing a series with using Nicole Jones 911's Scrapathon new class that just was released yesterday. And I'm going to be incorporating a lot of goodies in. But, I mean, these are just extra thickers, alphas, and all that kind of stuff. Didn't kill any of that off. I will show you that this had a bunch of pattern papers in it. This is the one that I got the most traction with. I have a couple scraps here, and I've got this odd eyeball piece of paper. So if I can just use this up, which I will this coming month with my plans, then I'm going to consider this mini kit killed. Now this right here, I have a plan for it. I haven't done it yet, but I do have a plan for it. And I think this photo is going with it. So, not used, but there's a plan. This didn't touch, didn't open. This great little whimsical collection. So, little tiny bit of traction, not as much as I needed. So, that was that. Not a big deal. I still have, this has 2 1/4 strips left of rub-ons to use. I am really concentrating on using up some rub-ons. And aside from that, you know what, friends? I used a little bit of stickers from a few different collections, used up a bunch of Vicki Boutin stuff, but, I mean, this was a new package. I only used a few dots. So, a bit of an epic failure this month. But next month, I'm going to try to get the better part of 30 layouts done in Nicole's class. So, wish me luck. I'm very excited with the kit I already put together for Mini Kit Monday for next month, being October 2019. We were given some parameters by a fab friend, Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you all so soon. Bye-bye, friends.